almost burned my foot.
Hold up.
Hi babes, Lexi Luxury here. How the hell are you? Welcome back to my channel. Okay loves, today, if you can't tell how much I'm touching my hair, we are doing a full-on wig review from Royalme, one of my favorite wig companies, you guys. I'm so happy to be working with them again. Can we just have a moment? Without further ado, make sure you hit that subscribe button, turn on your post notifications, and give this video a big ass thumbs up if you like it already. Okay, all right, let's get into the video. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and unbox this real quick. First of all, their packaging is always so stunning. Like, that is just something that's so important to me. So I love that they go the extra mile, just make their box look so pretty and all that. But as I open it up, obviously you are gonna go ahead and see this wig, guys. She is stunning, stunning. Just straight off the bat, the coloring, everything, the texture, it all felt really, really good when I was holding it. And on the camera, I feel like it picks up a little bit more of those like red hues. I swear in person, it's a little bit more like, you know, like a standard brown. It's just stunning either way. Absolutely love it. And the blonde in here too, not too yellow for me. It's like perfectly toned. So this is their 13x6 T-closure wig. This is my first time ever trying on a wig with this kind of like cap style. And it does also come with bleached knots, pre-plucked hairline, pre-sewn elastic band, like all the stuff that we love and need, okay? Like that's exactly why I love Royalme, because they do all of the work for you. They also just threw in these cute little clips as well, just so it can help me when I am like sectioning off the hair to straighten it or whatever I might be doing. Okay, time to go ahead and prep this hair for my wig. So you guys know the tea. If you're new here, I am the laziest girl when it comes to my wigs. I like it to be simple and quick. My hair is thin enough, so literally all I have to do is just kind of like barely slick it back and put it in a tiny little bun on the back of my head. That's it. And I'm just gonna go ahead, cut this lace off camera, adjust the cap so that it fits my tiny ass head, and now we're just gonna put it on and see the moment of truth. I mean, what do you guys think? Straight out of the box, we just cut the lace, adjusted the cap, and threw it on. And this is what it looks like. I'm pretty freaking happy with it. But of course, you guys know we are gonna go ahead and secure this baby down and get her looking right. I can see that the ear flaps fit perfectly, y'all. You know I have the worst issues with this, and now I'm just gonna secure it down. So I'm grabbing my Got2b Ultra Glued. I prefer the Ultra just because it's just so much better. It stays on way longer, and I never have an issue with my wigs lifting. So I just put a really small amount around the perimeter of my head, as you can see here. And then I just make sure that the hairline is right on top of where I put that Got2b Glued, obviously. And then I grab my headband and I let it sit here, and it can get as secure as possible. I probably leave it on there for about 5 minutes, and then I take it off, and here we are. And I did notice that there was just a tiny bit of extra lace where my ear was, and I was being picky at this point, honestly. Like, this is one of the best experiences that I've had with ear flaps before. But I did just go ahead and trim it just to make it perfect, and now it fits absolutely flawlessly. But after this, we're pretty much good to go. I'm just gonna go ahead and put on my makeup, and I will be right back. Okay, she has arrived. Hello. So first off, I absolutely love this wig straight off the bat. The texture of the hair is gorgeous. I mean, you can't fake that shine, you guys. You see this, you see how it's moving. The length is honestly gorgeous. I'll leave all of the information in the description box down below as per usual. I do have some bronzer on it now. I was trying to get it to like match my forehead. I mean, when I'm from here to there, you can't really tell that much, but when I get close up, you can see the line of demarcation. Not my fave, but that's just kind of my fault. Anywho, I am gonna go ahead and put some hot tools to this baby. I'm just gonna do a quick little root lift with my hot comb, and then I am going to just straighten out this bottom portion. I already did apply my heat protectant. I'll go ahead and link this down below for you guys. It's my absolute fave, same one I've been using for the last couple videos. So as I'm doing this, I'll just talk to you guys a little bit about Royalme. So I've been working with them for a decent amount of time. Every single time I've gotten a wig from them, it has been a 10 out of 10. So every time they do email me and ask if we can work together, my answer is yes. Like, also I was really skeptical about this color, I'm not gonna lie. You know, when you see wig websites having this colorway, I don't know, I just feel like I always get a little wary that they're gonna mess it up, you know, that it's gonna be like super ugly, chunky highlights, but they killed it. I'm not gonna lie. This coloring was absolutely phenomenal. Like if I threw some wand curls in here, this highlight situation, oh my God. Probably what I'm gonna do next time I wear this, honestly, is just throw some waves in here because I just think it's gonna look stunning. And guys, I'm not straightening this in any particular way, shape, or form. As you can see, I'm kind of just being super sloppy with it, but I just want the ends to straighten out, and wow, they actually straightened out pretty quickly. Okay, I'm hoping that the back is straightened up for you guys, but I am gonna give you a little view either way. Whether it's wavy or not back there, you get the idea. Guys, I'm really happy with it. I'm not gonna lie. I've not had like a nice medium brown highlighted wig. I don't think ever. Maybe once a really long time ago, but not to this quality. Like, I think she's gonna be my new fave. I think you guys are gonna see me wear this quite often on the Instagram feed, so get ready for that. All right, and now for my favorite part, I am going to just lift these roots a little bit so it looks a little bit more natural, a little bit more lifted. I'm just going to grab my hot comb here. I will link all this stuff down below for you guys as well. I did get this hot comb off of Amazon and I love it. Ever since I started using one, it just changed the wig game for me, you guys. See how I just kind of brushed it back? Now I'm just gonna pull it to the side. And boom, now we have volume. See the difference between the two sides? Yeah. Okay, there we go. That just looks a little bit better to me personally. It makes the hair look like it's growing in a natural way. You know what I mean? Also, I do have to say, you guys know how many problems I have with ear flaps. These were perfect. I did snip this one on the right-hand side. You guys saw that a little bit earlier. I could have gotten away with not doing it, but I did just want to, you know. And now I can put my hair behind my ears, and I feel like that makes a wig look so much more natural. I mean, yeah, it's a 10 for me. I don't really know what else to say. I mean, I'm sure you guys can tell by the way that I'm like touching it and ranting and raving about it, but it's a freaking 10 for me, period. Shocker there, another Royalme Wig, Lexi Luxury approved, but that just goes to show that I absolutely love this company. If you are going to get a wig and spend the coin on a good quality one, I always recommend Royalme. And if you do get one of their fake scalp wigs, they are amazing as well. Oh yeah, speaking of which, let me go ahead and show you the scalp situation right now. So it is lace, there's no fake scalp wig here, but it actually looks really nice and natural. They take the liberty of bleaching the knots for you, which is awesome, so you don't even have to worry about that. I mean, you guys saw I literally just cut the lace and put it on. That's my kind of wig. I've said it before, I'll say it again, but a good quality wig does not require too much work on your end. You shouldn't have to pluck it, you shouldn't have to color it, you shouldn't have to do anything. Like, literally just secure it how you want to, cut the lace, style it, good to go. Okay, loves, well that's all I have for you today. I hope I was able to bring you guys another wig that you are looking forward to getting, because honestly, this is a vibe. This is a vibe. You guys are gonna see her 24/7. You guys know the tea. All the information is gonna be in the description box down below. If you have any questions, either drop a comment in the comment section down below or DM me on Instagram. I'm much faster over there. Before you leave, make sure you hit that subscribe button, turn on your post notifications, give this video a big ass thumbs up, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram at Lexi Luxury. All right, time to drop the accent, but I love you guys so much, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.